Sometimes when we are busy, have you forget to respond to a certain messages? Now, let me show you how you can have a reminder from Microsoft Teams message so that you can respond to your message at a later time and date. Now, I'm in my Microsoft Teams. So what you can do is go to your Teams or your channel, and in any of the message, click on these three dots, and then go to more actions. You can see this follow up on a message. If you forget that, or you don't have an answer to that message and you want to go and find out the answer and then later response to the message, you can click on here, follow up the message, and then the system will ask you why, when, what date, okay, and what time, and then you can put a note or reminder. Then you can click here, and then when it's hit the time and date, it will automatically message you, and it will show the notification at the activity area over here. I hope this will help you, because like for me, I always forget to respond at a later time after I have read the message. Now, if you like this productivity tip, do follow us for more.